Hi, my name is Emily Pecoraro, coming at you live from the pit orchestra at Radio City Music Hall, where I am here this season playing one of the Woodwind books for the Rockettes for the Christmas Spectacular. And this season would be absolutely impossible for me to do without, first of all, key leaves, key props. I have one for every saxophone, and since I got these, I started using them a couple years ago. Since I got these, I haven't had a single sticky G sharp, which, as you all know, can be a very annoying experience otherwise. So thank you so much to Key Leaves for that. Also, the spit sponges. I have these in both of the sizes. I have one in every case. I have one in every purse. These are a game changer. Both of these products, I can't get through any show without, especially the spit sponges. I do a lot of work elsewhere on Broadway as well. I'm also on this book and other books playing clarinets and flutes and piccolos and all sorts of stuff. And when a horn is sitting cold for a couple minutes, the temperature changes. The last thing you want to do is pick it up and have a sticky key or have some water or something in there. And cigarette paper works, but to me these really dry out the tone hole in a really big way. You could swab, but that's only going to get you so far. I want to know that the tone hole is going to be dry. So I definitely absolutely recommend these. Could not get through this season without either of those things. Also this year I just started using on my alto the thumb rest. Where is it? Here is the thumb rest, which has been really great. I feel like my hands can be a little bit looser. I can play a little bit quicker. I don't feel that tension of sort of hyperextending my thumb in a big way. So I absolutely cannot recommend these products enough, and I'm so grateful to Key Leaves for making them and making my season and my job so much easier. So thank you so much.